President Joko Widodo on Thursday opened the Bali Fintech Agenda, a landmark seminar held during the International Monetary Fund and World Bank Group annual meetings that served as the platform for publishing a set of principles for policymakers and the international community to consider on the development of financial technology. President Jokowi, in his remarks, emphasized fostering an environment that ensures the development of fintech, which he said is transforming the daily lives of hundreds of millions of people around the world. Referring to the internet boom 25 years ago, Jokowi highlighted the importance of continuing to encourage innovation by avoiding overly restrictive regulations, as well as allowing experiments to flourish first. That means we should once again approach this big wave of innovation with light touch regulation, and we should provide safe harbor to those entrepreneurs who are bringing radical and new tools to society. The seminar featured speakers including Finance Minister Sri Mulyani Indrawati, World Bank President Jim Yong Kim, and IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde. The event discussed the global conditions and challenges the world faces as rapid advances in financial technology transform the economic and financial landscape, which offer both wide-ranging opportunities and at the same time raising potential risks. The discussion also marked the launch of a set of principles comprising 12 elements as key considerations, intended as a framework to foster benefits and mitigate risk in fintech, which could be applied to both conventional and Islamic financial instruments and products. Some of the elements include the call to embrace the promise of fintech, the adaptation of a regulatory framework, and providing an enabling legal landscape, as well as encouraging international cooperation and information sharing. In addition to opening the Bali Fintech Agenda at the meetings, President Jokowi also gave a keynote speech at the Trihita Karana, a forum held on the sidelines that seeks to develop infrastructure through financing that combines private, public, and philanthropic funds. The week-long annual meetings began on Monday with the plenary meeting between the two institutions and delegates from the 189 member countries, including central bank governors and finance ministers, set to take place on Friday morning. In the evening, President Jokowi is slated to host a gala dinner, which is a welcome reception that will be held at the Gedung Wisnu Kencana Cultural Park. I'm Liza Josephine for the Jakarta Post, reporting from Nusa Dua, Bali.